In this video, we'll show you the simplest way to get started by searching ready-to-make projects. These projects include project photos, difficulty level, a list of materials needed, and brief instructions. It's a great way to start crafting, especially when you're brand new to Cricut. I'm throwing a strawberry-themed summer party for my daughter and want to decorate with a banner. Let's see what we can find in Design Space. There are a few ways to search for projects. You can search for a keyword in the universal search bar. Here, we'll enter the word banner. You'll see images first, then your projects. Click View All under Projects and scroll down. You'll see lots of great banners. Any project with the green A symbol is included with the Cricut Access subscription. Be sure to take advantage of your free 30-day subscription to try out all the Access features. Add the word strawberry to narrow the search. See something you love but no time to make it now? Just bookmark it. Bookmarking adds it to My Stuff, where you can access it anytime from your computer, phone, or tablet. We're going to select the strawberry banner. This opens the project details page where you can view images of the finished banner and what you'll need to create it. Click Make It to send it to your machine as is. Design Space will guide you through the next steps. In the next video, we'll show you how to customize this banner with a cute phrase. See you there.